It's a me, Mario. Today, everybody, we have the Nintendo Switch 2 Mario Kart bundle because we're not paying $80 for a video game. Screw you, Nintendo. So listen, it's time to lock in. I just spent the last like hour and a half outside of a Best Buy just trying to get this thing. They had over 1,000 of these systems at the Best Buy. Isn't that crazy? We managed to actually get ourselves the Nintendo Switch. How do you open this thing?
On the bottom.
Oh, on the bottom? Oh, there is a piece of tape. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm usually used to saving princesses, not opening boxes, okay? So yeah. Oh my God. For a second, I thought mine was cracked. Oh, dude, I would have thrown hands. I would have used the star. I would have used the star power up. I got it in my inventory. Here it is. Here, right here is the, why is there like a bunch of?
That's what I was saying. Mine was dusty too.
Wow. There it is. That's awesome. Dude, this thing is huge. Wait, let me get my OLED. All right, so I guess for comparison, this is the Nintendo Switch OLED. This is the Nintendo Switch 2. Oh my God, that's so crazy. We actually have this thing. Here is the difference in size. Wow. Yo, that's actually kind of insane.
It's pretty big.
Wow. You know what I could do on this? Goon. All right, so we got a couple of the Joy-Cons right over here. We got the blue one. And it goes like this. Oh, dude, that feels really nice. That feels really nice. Try to take it off. Oh, it's a magnet. I can't take it off. Oh. How do you? Oh, serious question. How do you take it off?
You click the button on the back. It's like behind.
Oh, on the back. Oh. That's actually fire. Oh, this feels good. Oh my God. With this power, you know what I could do? Do you know what I could do? Turn it on. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. Does that have like audio? English?
Or Spanish.
Oh, okay, I gotta put in my internet real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't know my internet password. This music is great. I'm glad I spent $500 for this thing.
Teddy, when he's at the club. My fault.
Dude, this thing actually, I'm not even trying to glaze. This thing genuinely feels awesome. Wow. Drop a comment down below if you're gonna get the Nintendo Switch, bro. My back hurts, dude. I think I'm getting old and rock climbing too much. Bro is literally the climber. Okay, anyway. Okay, with the Switch 2, you can play games wherever you want, however you want. This girl is literally flying. Dude, I'm literally playing Nintendo Switch 2 right now. Man, I'm 23, dude. I can't be saying stuff like, this is, God damn it, dude. Wow, I really like how this feels. It's time to touch tips. Was that good? What? I'm probably the first person in the world to touch tips with my Nintendo Switch. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so it looks like we have Mario Kart. Free code for you guys. Scan this in and you won't get the game because I already downloaded it. But try it anyway. You'll also get a really nice HDMI cable. And then you get the grips, the Joy-Con grips.
That's not the grips.
Is it not the grips?
That's actually for the mouse part, so you put them on the bottom.
No, this is the grips.
Like bumpers, no. Well, yes and no. They're also like bumpers, man. I seen the video, I was watching.
They're grips. Okay, we have the power. I'm pretty sure this is a 60-watt power brick for anybody who cares about watts and how there's 60 of them now. And then we also have this that plugs into the wall. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. The system has now updated.
That's not what it said.
Oh, is it not what it said? The system update complete. Yeah, the system has now updated. What are you saying to me right now?
You got it.
It's me, Mario. Start system transfer? Nah. No point. I'm so tired, man. I'm such an old man now. Hit the subscribe button. Let's add a user. Man, now I gotta do all this freaking setup stuff.
Finish unboxing.
Yeah, true.
Right over here, we have, are you getting a crotch shot right now?
Now I am.
No, don't. Right over here, we have the actual dock. This comes with a fan. And the fan is somewhere in here. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, so the fan is somewhere inside of here. This feels kind of cheap, not gonna lie. As always, yeah, but you know what, whatever. They had to make their money back somehow. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'm like locked in. Now I have to actually spend stupid amounts of money on each one of their games.
Yeah.
At least Mario Kart was $50. Oh no. Oh yeah, if you don't get the bundle, you're screwed. Honestly,
that's the only thing.
I would just jump off a cliff if I were you. We don't advocate for that. Obviously, I'm saying that because I have extra lives. You guys, IRL, don't do that. Oh, okay, and then this is the actual, ooh. Okay, so we're supposed to insert this into this.
Ooh.
That sounded nice. That sounded nice.
Just like the video.
Wow. Yo, low key, this feels really good. It feels good. It feels a lot better than the other one. Yeah, try it.
Oh, it's low-key tough.
It is low-key tough. That's fire. I like it. They have this like nice mat on them.
That's what I'm saying. It feels like a Nintendo Switch 2.
It does feel like a Nintendo Switch 2. That is what I was thinking as well. You're what? Anyway, let's lock back in with this. All right, let's see. Nintendo. Okay, so they really, this is literally, wow, this is so boring without any games. Let me sign into my eShop and let me put the Mario Kart World. I don't know if you guys see that, chat. Confirm Mario Kart World Redemption. I guess we should also, I should buy like what, Deltarune? Undertale, Deltarune? Probably, right? I should probably get that game too, yeah. This is the Nintendo Switch 2. We have it in all its glory. And we have Mario Kart installed on there as well. I absolutely knocked out last night. I think I slept like 3-4 hours and now I'm back to finish up this video. Overall, the Nintendo Switch 2, I personally think it's really cool and I'm very excited for when more games come out on this thing. Very excited to play this in handheld mode. I think that's gonna probably be my primary way in playing this thing just because the tablet is so freaking huge. I'm probably gonna be posting more of this Nintendo Switch Mario Kart content on this channel. So if you're interested in that, click subscribe, stay tuned. I have a couple of ideas for videos I wanna make. Also, special announcement, I live streamed out. My stream schedule is gonna be 3 times a week and that's gonna be Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Maybe I'll do a couple extra days, but those are the primary ones I'm sticking with right now. I'm primarily gonna be streaming over on Twitch. My Twitch is linked down below if you want to go follow and check it out. We're gonna be playing Mario Kart World on there and a bunch of other games like Undertale, Deltarune, Silk Song, Donkey Kong, and I don't know, maybe some stuff that isn't Nintendo as well. Anyway, dude, are you guys getting a Nintendo Switch? Or is it too much money? I respect if you say it's too much money because low-key, I just spent like $500 for one game. Oh my God. Well, I'm gonna go play that game now.